This is Rickie News Channel. I'm James Menendez. Our top stories.
2 travelers to Hawaii face up to 1 year in prison and up to $5,000 in fines after allegedly falsifying vaccination cards. Norbert Chung, 57, and Trevor Chung, 19, were arrested Sunday at Honolulu's Daniel K. Inouye Airport after officials say they violated the state's Safe Travels program, which allows travelers from the U.S. and its territories to offer vaccine proof to bypass the state's mandatory 10-day quarantine. Previously, all travelers, including vaccinated visitors, had to take a COVID test 3 days before departure to bypass quarantine. Investigators from the Department of the Attorney General made the arrests after receiving a tip from a community member prior to their arrival, according to a statement from spokesperson Gary Yamashiroya. The 2 travelers were arraigned Thursday morning. The Department of the Attorney General will investigate and prosecute those who cheat the Safe Travels program, which was established to keep our island safe, Yamashiroya in a statement. This is the first case the office has brought related to fraudulent vaccine proof under the Safe Travels program. The department declined to provide further details on the arrests. At a news conference Tuesday, Hawaii Governor David Ige used the arrest of the tourists as an example of the state's strict enforcement of COVID restrictions. "We've been pretty aggressive in enforcing and prosecuting those violators that we have become aware of," he said. "We have pursued quarantine violations. We do have a case where we had travelers forging vaccination records that we've filed charges against.